current COVID-19 pandemic has required a complete change in the management of IBD patients who need to undergo endoscopic procedures. Endoscopic procedures, being an aerosol generating, pose a risk of transmission of COVID-19. Endoscopy units in India are performing fewer than 10% of their usual volumes due to the current restrictions. As per the latest Indian survey conducted amongst endoscopists about endoscopy practice during the pandemic, 59.6% endoscopists said continue all the emergency procedures but stop all the elective ones. 26.5% said that high-risk elective procedures should be discontinued, but low-risk and emergency procedures should be continued. 12.3% believe that all the procedures should be continued as before, with proper precaution and PPE. Only 1.6% believed that all kinds of endoscopic procedures should be stopped. Since resources to follow current international guidelines, including use of negative pressure rooms and PPE, are limited, most of the international societies like SFED, French Society of Digestive Endoscopy, from their Italian and French experience, recommended that during COVID-19 pandemic, fecal calprotectin tests, together with remote monitoring of symptoms and patient-reported outcomes, could be a safe alternative to monitor patients and could have a key role in avoiding endoscopy or cross-sectional imaging when these procedures are not urgent or necessary. Gastromed from Metropolis offers fecal calprotectin test, which is simple, reliable, non-invasive and stable marker used to distinguish between IBD, Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, and IBS, to determine disease's activity and risk of relapse in IBD. To monitor IBD treatment response, FC test offers 93% sensitivity and 96% specificity.